Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the charging speed test in the Realme GT Master Edition while playing Battlegrounds mobile game at same time. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic, and previously I did do the same kind of charging speed test in the Realme GT Neo 2 while playing Battlegrounds mobile game and while charging at same time. The phone did take about I think close to maybe 50 minutes to charge, 50 or 55 minutes. But let's see what happens to the Realme GT Master Edition if you try to charge and play the Battlegrounds mobile game at same time. Right now the battery percentage is exactly 1%. I'm trying to start this charging test from 1%, as you can clearly see friends. Let's see whether the phone will be able to fast charge and play the game properly simultaneously or not. And one more quick note, I would not advise anyone to use this kind of method because this will put a lot of stress on the battery. Just for the demonstration purpose, only one time I'm trying to make this video right now. Let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch and start playing the game. Right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to connect the charger as well. Right now the charger is connected, and I just want to show you that support.charger is connected at this moment. That's the reason I thought of showing you the lock screen first. And right now I'm trying to open the Battlegrounds mobile game. Exactly around 1% I started to do this kind of charging test, and right now the temperature is about 26.8 degrees, 27 degrees Celsius. Take as a round figure 27 degrees Celsius. Let's see friends, with the 27 degrees Celsius, how quick the phone can actually charge to 100%. The phone usually takes about I think roughly 28 minutes the phone takes to charge around 100%. So let's select the team deathmatch. So during this continuous testing I'll be playing only the team deathmatch continuously, and brightness 50% set, and real-time FPS meter also I'll try to use just to give a clear idea of what's going on with the FPS meter. And let's connect the another gaming triggers. This is a Realme gaming trigger. You can check the official website directly.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
So it's not that comfortable to play anyway while charging and playing at same time. But overall, I just want to see friends how much difference we're going to expect between the temperatures and charging speed. 29.8 degrees, right now it did increase. You can see the real-time FPS, it was able to maintain pretty good 60 FPS consistently. Try to focus exactly on the real-time FPS meter so you will be able to see exactly. So not bad. So that right now the phone did charge up to 9% of the battery capacity within this short amount of time, 2 minutes of continuously playing. I just want to see whether the phone can actually charge or not faster, and I'm going to be back after some time. So maybe after 10 minutes of time, we'll try to check exactly what's happening with overall charging speed. So right now, as you can see friends, we're reaching exactly 10 minutes of time as well, and exactly 10 minutes I'll try to show you what is the battery percentage the phone did reach. Exactly after 10 minutes I'll try to show you, and even I'll try to check the temperatures as well. What is the temperature I'll try to show you. And right now the match has been finished, and it's about 36 degrees Celsius the phone did increase during this process, 36.6, not bad. And backside 34 degrees Celsius on the backside it did increase during this process of testing regarding temperatures, 36.4 degrees, as you can clearly see friends, regarding the temperatures. And exactly around 10 minutes of time the phone did charge up to 27% of the battery, 27% in just 10 minutes of time, and the temperatures did reach up to 36 degrees Celsius. Let me just start the game, and that's 36 degrees Celsius and 27% the phone did reach during this process of testing. And again I'll be back after 20 minutes of continuously charging and continuously playing the game. So usually in the first 10 minutes the phone will charge up to I think close to 40% the phone should be able to charge, but right now it's not charging because obviously we are trying to play the game and charging. That might be another thing. Again I'll be back friends after 20 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to 20 minutes of time as well, continuously charging the Realme GT Master Edition. So right now we'll be able to see exactly around 20 minutes what is the overall charging percentage the phone got charged. So let's see, around 20 minutes. So right now the battery charged to exactly 45% in first 20 minutes of time. As you can clearly see, friends, 45%. So in 20 minutes the phone did charge up to 45%. As you can clearly, and let's check the temperatures. What is happening with the overall temperatures in this device? So temperature is showing about 38.2 degrees Celsius, friends, right now, 38.2. And right now the temperatures even in the gain space is showing about 41 degrees Celsius in the gain space, which you can clearly see here right now with this kind of charging speed. And let's see what will happen with the overall charging test in this device. I'll try to charge till 30 minutes of time, and then we'll be able to exactly understand in 30 minutes how much the phone is charging. I think by this rate the phone might be able to charge 100%. I think maybe 45 minutes of time. I think 45 minutes to 50 minutes of time the phone will be able to take to charge. And I can be back, friends, after some time just to check what's going on with the temperatures around 30 minutes of time. Then we'll try to check exactly what's happening in 30 minutes of time. As you can see, friends, exactly after charging continuously till 30 minutes of time, let's check the temperatures right now. 39 degrees Celsius the phone did increase. So that of stopping the test right now, because I'm putting a lot of stress on the battery while charging and playing the game at same time. In 30 minutes we'll try to take into consideration what is happening average. Right now it did charge up to 59%, right? So maybe the phone might 60%, okay, 60% let's take into consideration. The phone might take maybe close to 50 minutes of time to charge complete 100% while playing the game and while charging at same time. 60%, and the phone did sometimes increase up to 40 degrees Celsius as well. So I don't want to put a lot of pressure on the battery. That might again cause some problems on the battery as well for long term duration. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick charging speed test in the Realme GT Master Edition. Sorry for that. I thought of doing till 100%, but because of the battery concern issues, I did not continue the test. And definitely I would not recommend anyone using this kind of method, playing the Battlegrounds mobile game and charging at same time. Don't try like this anytime. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and meanwhile signing off until then. Stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.